In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your email tool, select the right audience, and confidently send a bulk message to your contacts. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you have access to multiple portals, make sure you're in the correct workspace before moving on. It helps to have your marketing permissions set and your email content drafted or ready to edit. Once you're in, look to the main navigation on the left and locate the marketing section. Hover there to expand the options and choose email. This brings you to the marketing email dashboard, where you can see all your drafts, scheduled emails, and past sends. From here, pick the email you want to send in bulk. Click Edit to open it. If you don't have one ready, you can create a new email from the same dashboard and set up your content first. Before you proceed, double-check the subject line, preview text from name, and reply to address so everything matches your brand and intent. Inside the email editor, find the Send or Send to area on the left sidebar. Open that panel to manage how and to whom this email will be delivered. Under Send method, choose the option to send to a segment of contacts. This ensures you're sending a one-time bulk email to a defined audience, rather than triggering an automated workflow. Next, in the Send to section, click Contact Segments. This will let you pick the specific list or segment that should receive your message. Select the segment that best aligns with your campaign goal, whether that's a saved list for prospects, customers, or a segment defined by behavior or lifecycle stage. Take a moment to confirm the estimated recipient count and that suppression lists or unsubscribed contacts are automatically excluded, so you're only emailing people who should receive it. When your audience is set, click Review and Send. On the review screen, carefully confirm the details: the recipient segment, from information, subject line, and any tracking or compliance settings. Make sure links work and that your content looks good on both desktop and mobile previews. If everything looks right, click Send to deliver your email. HubSpot will queue the message and begin sending it to your selected segment. That's it. You've just completed a bulk send in HubSpot. For future campaigns, remember that clear segments and clean lists lead to better deliverability and engagement.